Control number 41647, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Junica Risa C. Papa, 35 years old, single. I have 3 kids, 14, 10, and 9 years old. I am the second to the eldest.
What is your educational attainment?
I finished high school in Rinconada National Technical Vocational School
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
to provide my family needs.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience in local.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
No, but I am willing to learn if you have giving me a chance.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes,
What can you do for babies and children?
feeding them, giving them vitamins, changing their diapers.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, sewing, and then
What foreign dishes can you cook?
like chop suey, menudo, or adobo, ma'am, sir.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am hardworking, have an initiative, and honest.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you're giving me a chance to work in you, I will be responsible, hardworking as a housemaid, and I will finish my contract for 2 years or more.